So it's June 10th, and the pruned avocado has started to shoot lots of growth. So we're just going to revisit this new growth. And just like last time, I'm looking at the inside of the canopy, and this particular branch is not needed, so I want to keep the growth towards the outside. So I'm just going to carefully pop that guy off. And then you'll notice there is some low growth down here, but I'm kind of curious about what that might do, another layer. So I'm going to keep it for now, but potentially it will be removed as well. So now we have 3 main leaders, and we'll reevaluate these, probably prune them once these leaves harden off. So that's it for now.